ahia enti ena ese omampani beka sa asen we ema yede yebo yensem ma no nokre pa ewom ni se sa enema we aye kan no eka ebo man no ye bie so kirewa uyem ebehyew hwe aban offices bebrebe se wako Jubilee House da hwe offices a ewo ho na tremu fabra yemfa mesenko aban offices a etwa Ghana ho ahia nyina 16 regions so obi aka se bosome ba kokora no bosome bia oboka 100 cities ewo DSTV ho a abusuafo ye ka bomu a eye sikapuduo etimi yika akwan etimi si suku dan enti dia omampani aye no esese ye bo omampani abaso efise ye te oman we mu nkwada ti nuase ko school enkwada wo twere wo mo da fom ena ye twere enso obi te office bi ehwe DSTV ema bosome so a yetua ho eka enu na ama yedrum pempen so se anamo no omampani atuo no esese ye bo na baso edu da bia chokokora teacher for the betre nkwada ade no na eho aye na ama schools aden sikani ho aye de beto enso beko office bi no na ya so DSTV esi so ye hwe obi akrante humpo a ohwe ya so esi so kwa bosome so a ye betua ho eka enu nti ena omampani asama wakan esese ye bo omampani abaso na enso ho a omampani asan ate ho de akere ye se waye ono natena ye awie no obetremu e de akọ aban nyuma nyina emu ode beko ministries ode beko department ode beko state owned offices no enyina emu se efi na ekure obia ni ho kwan se obeto eye DSTV ene ne ekeka ho enti me ka say sabre kro bia kan dada say na DSTV so omampani twemu a de na waye fix the economy no abi na ye fix no eno abi na omampani ahya ase no etwa se ye ka ho asem ewo ha enom obekọ aban office bi no DSTV siso ye adwuma 24/7 air condition siso ye adwuma 24/7 krobi ana minim ho omotimi so air condition siso omopon weekend Friday yapon ye kofie na omorafi na air condition siso omorafi Friday yapon ye kofie na ye ja light ni nyina siso ade sana wonam ho a won se dan no nyina light wo dan no nyina mu ye rafi ye ja no hokofie ni nyina no ebo aban eka nanso saa nipa na wono di saa adwuma no senka aban adwuma office na oye adwuma ho no eye ono ane de a nka onye saa de no enti wo de bia na wo ji akinye se ne omampani ayeyi enya de bia ehu enwanwa a e se ye bo na baso ade akye bia research team no ye research ewo eka etua ewo DSTV ho na yenhwa de ebepem afe 2025 ne mpa mu sabre ya ye wo mu yenhwe DSTV packages a ewo man Ghana mu se wo to DSTV premium package na efiri 660 Ghana edikosi 690 Ghana cedi eno ye full bouquet sports wom movies wom ena international news ewomu eye a range from 660 Ghana ede kopem 690 Ghana bosome no okay afei auto DSTV compact plus no eye 430 Ghana cedis ede kosi 450 Ghana no sports and international channels ene wo so DSTV compact nankasa eye 290 Ghana edikosi 320 we ehwehwemu a yaye na ebetim de yensasi ebo aka ho asem no popular entertainment ewomu news ewomu ena nkwada program ne sports ni nyina ewo so a womde edi dwuma afesa woto DSTV family no a eye 190 Ghana edikosi 210 Ghana bosome bia basic local ne international content ene woso entino auto DSTV access nso a eye 95 Ghana ekosi 120 Ghana ɛna DSTV HD ɛno ɛyɛ 45 Ghana cedi na ɛno mu no ɛyɛ ade a ɛwɔ extra functions a wobɛtumi anya enti no channels nso a ɛyɛ satellite TV na ɛnyɛ DSTV no ebi te sɛ Go TV a ɛno yɛ multi choice for ɛdeɛ no a ɛno kora yɛbɛka sɛ ne boɔ ɛɛfoɔ no ɛfiri 40 Ghana ekosi 130 Ghana bosome bia enti average re no sɛ wokeka sɛ sika we nyina bom a yɛnhwɛ deɛ aban betua sɛ aban ka sɛ ebia office bia kora no yɛtua 400 ɛde kosi 700 cedis ɛwɔ decoder bia ɛyɛ sikapuduo enti no sɛ yɛyusu DSTV compact no 440 bosome bia wo de times se afe no na sɛ aban office no kora no sɛ yɛ 50 mpo a aban office no yɛ 50 mpo a yɛnhwɛ ni sɛ yɛnyɛ mathematics no 50 offices na yɛmfa times se 440 Ghana ɛbɛma bosome 22,000 Ghana cedis 22,000 Ghana cedis sɛ what I say 22,000 Ghana cedis o afei annual cost no 22,000 Ghana cedi no times afe no bosome dodo a ɛwom afe no wɔ bosome dumienu ɛbɛma 264,000 Ghana cedis ɛno ne ɛka aban ɛbɛbɔ sɛ aban offices no ɛyɛ 100 a asam kam de yɛmfa nto ho of course ɛboro 100 no 100 offices times 440 ɛbɛma 44,000 Ghana cedi afe no nyinaa bosome dumienu no wode 444,000 times say ɛyɛ afe no nyinaa bosome dumienu times 12 na ɛbɛma 528,000 Ghana cedis enti abusuafo efiri 264,000 ɛde kosi 528,000 afe bia ɛno ne sika aban etua enti sɛ ɔmampani ka sɛ wa bra sɛ office bia ntimi nyisu DSTV ɛne ne ɛkeka ho ɛwɔ offices na aban save economy no 264,000 Ghana cedi ɛde kosi 528,000 Ghana cedi ɛyɛ sika puduo ebetimi asi sukuu dan wenu nyinaa no ɛka nketenkete bi a weyɛ subscription nko a ɛka nketenkete bi ɛka ho nya maaye ebi te sɛ decoder asɛe yɛbɛkɔ akɔkora no ɛne nea ɛkeka ho nyina da TV asɛe yɛbɛkɔ akɔkora no ɛno bia de nya maaye enti sebe mpraduasa nyansa wom sɛ ɔmampani John Dramani Mahama ɔka sɛ efi na ekoi ɔno natena yɛ hɔnom watwa saa nhyehyɛ no mu sɛ ɔma bia kwan ɛma obia ɛnyusu DSTV ɛne satellite TVs na yɛtua ho ka no ɔma obia kwan ɛma no ɛnyusu ɛwɔ hɔ efi sɛ ɔman no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhunu yɛhia deɛ na yɛhunu yɛpɛ deɛ ɛnɛma bɛ na hia yɛ sɛ ɔman ɛna nɛma bɛ na yɛpɛ eduru baabi a ɛnɛma yɛpɛ no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛma no di yɛn kan eduru baabi a ɛnɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ehia nanso no yɛanya ɛnyɛ hwee yɛwɔ nɛma bi a ehia nanso no yɛanya ɛnyɛ hwee ana nɛma bi a yɛpɛ no yɛanya ɛnyɛ hwee na nea yɛhia no ɛno na ehia sɛ yɛn saka ɛno na yɛanya ɛbɛsɛe ɛnɛma nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɔ ho ɛka na yɛhwɛ enti ɛna anɔpɛ yi ɛwɔ asetes dwumadie so no wohwɛ akonta yi a yɛbua ma wo yi ɔmampani na ɛka anasɛm ɛna yɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu ɛna yɛde ɛka no aba yɛbu akonta no akyerɛw sɛ aban office yɛ 50 koraa ɛka a yɛbɛbɔ aban office no yɛ 100 a ɛka a yɛbɛbɔ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa abusuafoɔ sɛ yɛsi yɛtwa mu a ɛkyerɛ sɛ aban protect the public purse aban protect waste aban protect ɛyɛ ɔman no fotoɔ efiri ɛkwan bi wɔ hɔ a because nipa no kora kɔ adwuma mu hɔ na wanhwɛ TV a bibia nsi nipa no kwa adwuma mu ho na ni TV channel awu a bibia nsi adentra de ewo se yese sika puduo oman sika yebetimi de ato chalk yebetimi de ato nkonwa yebetimi de atua nkane aka ebie na enkrofo waste no ho enti no yen de ena no pay ye de yasem nyina ne se ye ne omampani mahama ya adwen se ono na tena ye na chi no on tremu on fanko ministries department ni agencies on tremu enfanko MMDAs no mu na MMDAs no so enfanko omo offices ahodo nyina se efi na akrai yetwa saade no emu afei ne aye kan so omampani enye honko a waste no doson enema bebre ho omampani yebetima twitwam ehon nso wo ye wadwuma yi na wama wani ekoho wo ye wadwuma na wama wani koho babi te se regional minister ko baabi a naka beye du edinachi ehia se regional minister efiri baabi te se takrade na oba takwa hanoma ensese obi a wotakrade ho edinachi ebabie obedu takwa hanoma MC be receive no na MC ne dom edinachi enti so ma regional minister ba sa nipa doma ebesoa edi akire no emwa ebia regional minister nko ntime nante ewo sempanifo bi ka ne ho sempanifo be ka ne ho de a yenye se ebia RCC no regional coordinating council no omo bepe ka baako na ye de entourage ne nyina atenam na ebia regional minister ka no kro no na sa bus no ana sa aka no a afa mpanifo no na omo so te no mu edi akire na ye wo director asumasi regional minister de ne ka eko director asumasi de ne ka di akire director number 2 di akire director number 3 di akire regional hwan odi akire regional hwan odi akire say ye ne sa de a ye behunu fleet of cars car no ebekwa eto ntwada we twam hwem na we twam hwem na we twam hwem eno nyina ye waste omampani betime asi ano ewo ho enom enema ebo man Ghana ka aye ka hunu ye betime asi ano no edoso enti anopai omampani dia waye eso ye ni enti san ye bio ka ho bie won taban no mu kommeamea bebre enkrofo na anokra be kan se wabra hampa ne bronyade eche no wabra eye fabika hu bebre na yensebu sika emfa nye oman no dwuma yemfa mo oman no ho ebra ewo ho enom enti ene assets no emunsem ena yede abrewe na yebekọ ye videos a edidi so ne yakwa akodi nkomo enura ena yewura MCA Ebenezer Kobna honorable ofre nhyiamu na okasaye odi na niso ade hunu tu dwa na niso ade hunu no ebifa akwan eho ebifa mamu pa ho yewura MCA kan se adwuma yede ai ahye ne nsai eya amamuo no nso sabe yemu ne kwa yebu de ma temamufo ne santi eya ade a ye kasai amamu a oba bebuo ene se obebu man a emu da ho pefe obema kanea ato na mamu a obo no mu efi se ye nso kanea emfa nhye kodo ase ye so edisi kanea dua so na hyerɛn ama nipa e ho nyina ahu bi enti enema a wadwen ho se obeye ebi ye se sika bia ye be spend wo assembly ho no obema mu ada ho obema kontabuo abamu sika bi na ye spend na emmoa obesia no kwan o ma ye spend ne aye spend a ede mfaso ebe bre takwaman ede mfaso ebe bre wasaman enu ena obehwe ama yayo afei wose nhyehyɛe ne dwuma bia wo mo bedie ewo ho no won behwe aboa se ye bebomu amane ama eye takwaman ate na yehu se we na assembly no ebedie dwuma we na anamo we na ombetuo obehwe ama ebio nkita ho bia ewo se wo mu die anamo bia wo mu tuo onipa esefata se yebona mane na otie no ombeye saa den pepepe o se oye saa ne ma we nyina efi se opese ye hwe na yehu se adwuma wo mo ye maye no ebeba ye mfaso yebenya efficiency wom yebenya discipline ewa adwuma na oye no mu na afei service with excellence and not me akoso adwuma obeye no nkoye se me ye finance officer die na wuni mo finance ho da bi MC say watwa saade no mu opese temamufo ye nyina yehunu amamuo na ekoso no emu afei o say ade ba ko pe dana koma so a yewura honorable Ebenezer Kobena MC edana koma so a oba beye ede amatemamufo ene say obehwe waboa ama akwan a ewo takwa ene ne ntamu ha enye kura akwan ya wontamu ha enye kura obehwe se obe siesie ni nyina na akwan ade ba kon kan ya na eye manigye na eye mabodwo ne abotoye mu ene se yewura MC se akwan no bi wo ho a abandada no abreso ena omo hya ase enema ba ko mienu bi nti bere a ewo sanka omo wie no wo ma ntima nwie ti amana kansensamu oje ho sempa efise oye panyin so de odi akonwa a ofa akonwa no ho ka ene akonwa no ho ajapade ene akonwa no ho asodie you inherit assets and liabilities enti akonwa a waba abetena so yi ade ba ko obehwe ayo en se project bia ye road project a abandada no hyase no obedi so pepepepepe ahwe ama ya wie na aba takwa manfaso we ye dia MCA ode atudwa se oba abeyo na ede aboa ama empuntuo aba yentamu ha enom eno ya ade a ode atu edwa ewo ho enom owie na oba ye nwomasua emu o se nokwasem ne se akwada bi owo ye takwa nso ayemu ha ewo etwase onya nwomasua edimu enti no na breso se MCE one nwomasua aso eye no na adwuma Ghana Education Service no obeka wonti apam ho enhyehyeye bia womde begu akwan mu na ebeboa ama nwomasua apagya ewo yentamu ha no ono assembly odi animu no womo behwe na wayo ede atutuye kama ewo ha na ose ade ba akokora obeye yesononko ne se obehwe aboa ama ensa adwuma adesua technical any vocational education training no obehwe amana akoso na okan ba ko na yemede pa ya eyemede ene se ose ohwe takwantamu ha adwuma ayeye kese pa eye gold tuo mining enti no say ye mofra enya nimdie bebre efa mining eho emfidi e de ye mining no wo say ye mofra wontamu ha no onya ho nimdie enti no eba ne technical vocational education na wode na hoden ebekọ na yaboa atete ye mano dodo no a ama wanya saa nimdie no na wo mo ba bonten a mines adwuma na atwa ye ho ahia no wo ma nyinya bi ayo ewo ho a ebeboa eba na pomuden a o se onipa bi a wo apomuden no wo ajapade se wo apomuden a eye ajapade kese pa enti ade ba ko a o hwe na esi nani so se obeye ene se obeboa na watoto niema yie ewo eha eno no se nipa dodo no a ewo ye ntamu ha no enkuru a wo motete so no ewo se yehwe baabi apomuden ahia se ekọ bibi te se chip compound obehwe ama ebi akọhọ enom ena yayare sabia hodo binum so a enema no bi wa ba ko mienu bi nkoye akade bi a betumi de aboa ama ehọ nso apagya na yaresa edimu atimi akoso no obehwe na wapagya ni nyina emu kama ede amayen MC to aso bio se one hwe ya beka se takwa de gold na yetuo no kore pa ewom ni se takwa no yetu gold de nanso ye akuafo dodo ewo ha pa enti no obo moden se kuaye nso no yenyi yani emfiri so one mpanimfo a ewo entamu ha ohwe kuaye so no ombeka omo ho abom ahwe ama enkuta ho ene ntotoye bebre atume akoso na aboa ama eye asetena pa ene adeye atume akoso afi okan ne honsem ene nkuta ho bebre ni nyina ewo ha yede emunsem eba abesom wo ye hwa ni mu se wona ye no obedi nkobo no betena ase na ebe pensemu na ebetumi aboa ama enema nyina no etime akoso ewo ho enum enti no ene ensi nsem okan no doso pa na yebedom suko na yewuram adidididi mu enkomo na ade ba ko a yewura MC eka enora ene se takwa nyame hira yen enso obatakwa nyame hira ode hira yen nyina no enadi yetu agudi ahodo ewo takwa ha empuntu esenkatakwa yenya ufira bonten na otetakwa din tako yetu gold yeyewe enso ni nyina no obekro usi takwa ha empuntu no ntesa enti mpanifo bedwen ho kwan a yebetumi translate the emfaso a ewo agudi a yewo no mu no e de abaye everyday life mu takwa bonten beye fe kromu ha beye fe manfo benya adwuma aye ni nyina no MC se eyade a oba abetu ho anamo na emu kese pa eye decongestion exercise a MC se oba beye ose ko main takwa station ho eyade a pavement no so mo amote so edidwa MC na makwanya so afidie so ebom kokose mon hyase mo ho se mo amu firi ho o monka ye enka ye no ana oboy se wan firi ho a mote ho adakro pe mo behuran se ya boy piamo ye bepam mo nyina afiri ho enom afei baby te se top line ehonom o se ehonso enkrofo bi de aye edwa ene eye news station a enkrofo efa ka ho MC se eno so ombe ye afiri ho eye mpene ema sa station a ye hye wo ho no ye nhye e wo ho ena afei railway station ho no nso eto amu a de kosi umata ni mu ho ema na eto aduane e wo kwan ne ho no omo nyina ye ba betu wo mo efi se MC kan se miyam hye me na ye mareho o se takwa ha se woda sore na ubi bia yira ompaboa ayira unya akukoduro na ukọ train station ho a ukọ a obekwa kohunu o se eho ye ba bi a eho na sebe kwasampafo nyina eguo eho na ye bokro no nyina de kọ eho na nipa bonfo nyina ete eho na ye ton nu bone nyina eho na ye boba sibra eho na ye bubra bone ewo ha ye wuram si se sune mo amote onyina oba betumu na ye twa kwan na tom e de akwa kosi Bogos Junction edisa o ha na pese ko Bogos Junction a ubetimi afa sa stretch no na wakọ akosi ke mayente MC kakra enra ebra na okan sem no ebie yente kakra na yemra right ente yene ye hwe se ye betimatie yewura MC ne nsem na okan ye no bi right yeguso a ye hwe
101.1 FM
ye betime atie yewura MC ne nsem a enra okan ye no bi ewo ha enom ede ama ye nyina na yakọ yanim ade akye bia dwumadie so ne Isaac atenoto nso atenase yebedi sa enkomoi enyina ene anopei ewo ha na yetumi akọ yanim sadia etie ene ama bibia etumi akọso kama ede amayen ade akye bia ade bia akye a emunsem ena yede Emma war. Enti we mra.
The champion here. The business is there, but you say in Tapa, Tapa, the Ira, walk on the railway station. You can ask everybody, but only structures and ACCs is where but and Tapa, minimum benefit. My name Party for the my name is MK. I've also spoken with my regional minister. Something like this, you can't do it alone. And they've come to a table, say, at least, but approach more. Yes, sorry, so we'll do it as expected, and we'll go by the rules, we'll go by the for what is expected. And the next time, I'm going to fast our place now. You see, say no, we have done a good job, and you applaud us. And I think that is our number one security threat. I say, now, yes, sir. Again, I can things that but that one saying, see, the oil is security threat. That one, to my understanding. Yeah, the friend is saying, one railway station is a security threat. That railway station there. But that place to me is accommodating miscreants, thieves. But so when they would never talk about that, say, yeah, we got to support train station. We got train station, I would say that. So that place, say, I'm here, they are young, they are what we say, the Bible is what I say, or the behavior. And I think that place is our number one security threat. I say, now, guess what? Again, I can things that
team member. Watena se yebesha ase na yedi enkomo de afri ha enom. Isaac obema microphone aba on. Okay, right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba chona pom to say
na me ada homa ye ho ye pa
ayo
said de ade achi amoja edi emu afri san nko ade de ebetimi aka ne se onyankopon twedi ampon waye bia ma ye amaye nkwa esombo said da ne da nyina yemfa mobra na oman no emfa no ntuma pamfra
infra very well party muti saying
ndc amenyuku takwa nsai mabato mpeso ade metimi aka se party no emudweboko party mpanimfo enkabom sonko a cost for party mpanimfo mu na wo hwe emre kakra ni a party mpanimfo 2 anamon se yebekọ ne ne branch executives akwakodi nkomo especially party members, party sympathizers, or more grassroots, and we could do na enya the solid relationship between us and the grassroots. No, now with me who say it has been impactful. Abwa bebre na obia wo ha obia kana sem penifo chechirem chira no so aka bia to so say sem penifo ama anka speculations ahodo a ibinom tu mfuturogu nkofo ani nko mefi sa na tie but anamuntu sa no aboa e de nkabum soronko aba grassroots no mu a ye nyina so ye hwe anim se impuntuo ene dia ye nyina ye hia no ye nsa be kan ba ko na oman no so afa ntema pafra nti ndc takwa nso ye mdia me kan no kra kire se no kre nkabum soronko koso wom pa
dear ne ma feel proud so we are ndc ni
I'm very happy you asked me this question today. I'm very proud of being a member of the National Democratic because it is a social democratic party.
Sure.
A party ankran bi abetimi apagya ne mu. Aba menyokuro no mu. The basis of the party, the ideology, principles, fapema party ni gina so.
Right.
Etiye no. Anase ebebo ade no. Fapema. It is inclusive and regard everybody's opinion. It me me when you adi hunu e wa menyose mu no me feel say I mean you quote say NDC say me de me ho be domo a they will raise me up. Do you get me? They will not neglect me and they will not undermine me.
Right.
They will not overshadow me.
Right.
They will make sure say the woman mu no ebeboa ma man na chichire no akonanim. Ebeboa so ma dachi pa aba ama mabunu bia. That is why I feel proud of being member of the National Democratic Congress.
Right. Na ebio mimisa we say otna say now we analysis efiri the last election a year 2024 election na uhu trend be the new trend abebata NDC when say more youth attracted to NDC.
Yes.
The elderly attracted to NDC.
Exactly.
What is NDC doing right?
Thank you very much once again. Edikan, I want to say, Medikan Kase party in the Fapim, no. It is centered on youth, no.
Sure.
But maybe I bet same kono. A lot of speculations went around. NDC in Pem Mebunasem, NDC Ebedin somebody, and they were all false allegations. But now we needed a very strong communication front. Or me, I didn't know Krena Tuga. And somewhere a see ye and maybe a chemical, GNT and 70 ye, and Pempenswa, a woman so no, is to answer our mine abra bosso. They hear communication front or meet me at church and some way the evidence in Naba. No, and I know can say we build a formidable communication front. Or multi church and comparison between the National Democratic Congress and the New Patriotic Party. And I'm able to do who say the foundation of the National Democratic Congress is centered on everybody, but the New Patriotic Party was centered on one. Ubibeka say tribal and maybe some because of where it was from and the ideology, conservative ideology. I know omukita ni adia no. It is contrary to youthful embracement. So be pejam mebruno. It is contrary to that. And na akwaye say ebusua bia se won dwane sa ekuo na that social class. If you don't belong to that social class, it will be very difficult for you to rise and be what you want to be in the future. Look at somebody like Sami Jamfi. From nowhere, Sami Jamfi has become somebody. From KNUSC, he came to the National Democratic Congress. President Kufuor can say, or say if the party of MPP or more building on your friend say online, or say apprenticeship, or say obedi line in Medru Swa, and Sanaway, how to me the baby. Now say Medru so swear, and I say
for you, NDC Moody and Tessa.
The National Democratic Congress is not like that. Who thought to say Sami Jamfi one day or Baba Beye gold board penny?
Okay.
Why not GD? If it were to be MPP, you will see penny be a better so count on what party no or no then Baby Dianim. Now Sami Jamfi dia or wine.
Okay.
So you get me right.
Right. Right.
And then me no kase share Asante regional minister. Bebunu Doctor. So I pejano. Me, I started my political career in TARKWA here, way back JHS, and
one day you will rise.
And we believe that definitely. MCE, I can talk to you my relation between the MCE, where he came from, and on one kasa the news I didn't and there about and I wish one day we sit on your seat.
May propose a bit the na wabo umpenim for amane.
Okay.
We are in an era where the media are very, very active. They play active role.
Sure.
Political activities in Namo.
Sure.
I want to suggest say ono umpenim for share muni unkomo. Monshe denya a time apart from the yede mamui.
Okay.
Mwankasa monshe denya a time like ABIA NDCR. Mamon kasa mwa ne political power we end of story. Munya ABIA NDC hour. Now some of these success stories, you come and sit here, you come and share. You carry more supporters along. You try to win more souls to NDC camp. Indeed, I send me a medal to win.
I get you. It's very good.
When I'm penning for money home como. Now mo magic time hano na mundi side dumano to sustain the interest na nkrofo enya, the loyalty na nkrofo enya ma and this the love na nkrofo enya ma and this no. Na mo project no de bia continuously. Because I know sympathy.
Of course. I like the suggestion and what they about. Now, me communication officer last cry he was talking to me about this as I'm working. And already now your plans are the person yes sir. Because you see if you would realize that when we say for a time now no you must be no ya say we will not wait to election time near because say party or your way we have started projecting the good works of the government.
That is it.
Sana Ghana for person.
That is it.
And so there were a very good suggestion. And if he said, "One pen this year, yeah, won't cancel."
And by extension, we pay Ghana year.
We pay Ghana year. Of course.
Because they say like it or not.
And this in
Ebu
Mino, of course.
Yeah, nimne say. Ya to abawie. Abatu dudu obi abekwa kujina daka mu. Akoto na ba. Ye wia nia ye beyi no say oye winner no ye nyina ye rally behind.
Of course.
Sana is a teacher of mine no. Okay.
Ampa.
Enti having said that no yemra enen komona nkasa nso MC Nura only opportunity in central for kasa.
Of course, sure.
Already a number of issues and so we careful analysis you feel say MC war akoma pabi matakwa. And this is a second time I mean share da wo confirm or no. Or can say be or say onim se takwa beyeye.
Yeah.
And no repeated the same statement. Say onim se takwa beyeye.
Yeah.
Na enye nipa ba akoso na betima matakwa yeye. Ese se obia ede ne ho agimu bi. Se be ya ebetumi aboa ama bibia konkan. And I know that now all around from near course no nyina first and foremost assessment ebe saying how would you assess MC not a programmer or yeah no
edikan no question me say MC wa prove beyond obi mususu ye say ontimi nya adwuma no what you say and wo hwe MC on one kasa the physical outlook
sure
the can say ahon keka bia na ode kan and some point bia he was raising and he was hammering it consistently a chira we say the honorable member is on course we determine say obeye so ampa
right
and beyond this no so no oh da omo confirm me ni wie no myself on one kasa any the personal aid no come me ahodo bi the following day immediately after confirmation come me ahodo bi come order bi ni ade ene me ankasa me de mani kura ehuru bi say that effort no
so aba
so aba egusu aso so aba
right
it is someone MC kind there to me I can tell you for a fact say me makoma so asem na MC ya kan nyina no
right
na nyina so waka no so ebeboa. Do you know that before another program because no I spoke to MC on a particular road b you can one asem ye MC went ahead and asked me other roads so and so we say omoye hu adwuma and I was happy because it shows that he's a leader or concern
sure
or a leader or commitment ni say obeye adwuma no amana so takwafo nyina eli
right
nti to be frank with you MC there obo adwuma obebo adwuma so pa and all this thing is happening because he has a backbone.
Okay,
you get me right? The finest member of parliament uti no an kasa mu na enyuma die ni bi won mo ya na o kan wan asem o say eye MP akoma so ade pa eye MP akoma so ade pa e kire wo the relationship between him and the member of parliament so hu enti so opre na MP amfa ni na chita anta na fruitful
yeah
but
that is
looking at that
important point because wo baabi a MC betime aye adwuma na akoduru
exactly
oyeduru baabi a wo baabi a MP betime atoa so akoduru ene ne ekeka ho and when the two work together eno ne de empuntu na ye hwehwe no ebeba sometimes MP wa akra or work enema out wa na ese ye ho adwuma na MC so ye no form ha ono so ye no form ha na ono so e de ama wo mosoro ho na ono so into that working relationship no say yetimi sustain dia
sure
yetimi sustain a ebeba ye mfaso daache
yeah
right but ne MC kan ye nyina na obobo nema bebre so kan health or kan roads or kan education or kan nema bebre dia when strike o kese but dia when kan wakoma kese pa say MC timi ya de we nko a na wanye bibia bi nkora wo Isaac you will be satisfied
Rose
na wo Rose ho
you see me there be ameka say me yetimamni and obi anim say takwa de mitima pa
right
me ne nkofo bebre nyankita hodi awodo bebre adabafo there be an omni passengers for nyankita hodi no omo asem omo ka dodo na say onya ye kwan ma onya bibia ye beto ama musa
right
and I was happy enura MC confirm ye for Budo City kwan no you know say I had a conversation with him but he didn't tell me not knowing say onran kasa wa 2-1 among the dada
right
chese kwan no ba bedam e be kranje ma omo kwa boso da man ni aden so they can also freely move na manije you see amana nso no mo awo o kan rose ahodo bu ono mo a do current budget and I say budget a omo aye no en capture na so as a matter of urgency no omo be hwe say omo de drip machine no be kwa kosiesie sa kwan no so nyina amana ye krabehwe wamana nso no mo omaye ti ase some rose bi ono so next year nyankopon ya adu no omo ye budget na he said the honorable member of parliament ono so the cheat betem na waboa na ahwe se mpanifo betimi ai den capture in the budget na aboa and I was glad a road like
road ahena ka maybe a
road like funny say Bonsare Esuoso to Mahamo to Benso and now munsanchirofo no ba ko ebisa ho asem and na MC man ti ase say and what the member of parliament akoma so pa and it is true me being a constituency executive member we've had several engagement with the member of parliament one hammer on that road pa say no cresem sa kwan no eyana pa na kwan bia obefa so a obehwe say mpanifo betu anamon ana say sa kwan no ebe kra behwe ma adabafo ne wo mo te wo no so mo ha wo obehwe na me eya manije sem watching me kan kwan asem ni say Takwa is congested what you say Takwa is congested say sa kwan ahodo ye wia Takwa be traffic no afi so nkofo a wo peso wo to dan e wo Takwa na wo tena Takwa by force no those people will be compelled to build accommodation in those areas said the be ya wo so betimi move freely enti media manije ho pa ebeboa papa enti no ekwan asem de my brother if you talk about road issue everybody will praise the government everybody will praise the MC so to me 2-1 amon a ebeso omu nyina ni
right
and with him se si ampa me no ka say ma drip machine eko ben so kwan so
okay
so baby ono ma na himfo no e complain say omu ntimi nkomba no kohwe na omu siesi so said the be ya adabafo no ometimi adi atantwie ni omo te ben so wasahinkro wo so betimi move freely enti akwan asem ne de
and akwan we so minim hospital road
very good
in fact ye bie phone line bia wo ha nkrofo ka ho asem so just to find out from you about attention of the MC sa hospital road no na aba immediately ne de na ye betimi aye
yes I say to say the American no some of the roads we've identified them e bi onum so a MC ogusu a obonto ano Uhu yebebon yebeka ho asem. Wo so ye nsanchire ni wa hu bi waka bi. We will talk to the MC. Ebi wo kra MC wa hu. But nya ni nyina no betimi aka ho but we will capture. So betu wana mo. And I can assure you say the MC with a strong backbone of the member of parliament no be make sure say obeyesa apan no na ayekra behwe. And
the top of the MC no adwuma hodi yen pa ba ko ai.
But you see, I'm surprised you said that hospital road no. About that ba ya 1 na mo ba ko kra. It worries me very well.
It maybe they are in opposition now.
Let's go on.
So what I say. It is say the mantle not rest on.
Sometimes we are compelled to do comparison because
yes, comparison
because the entire Americans and say as at now I hear saying we have two-party system in Ghana. Sure. That is what I used to say.
Yes.
Though we are a multi-party democratic country, but
the two main parties,
no,
NDC,
MPP.
Sure. And
the MPP are in opposition, trying to bring down the NDC to make themselves alternative.
Yes.
Eti etoda ya na hu hia se ye beye ye de beto omu ye de omu mienu beto nsaniani.
That is fair.
That is why sometimes when I'm talking about the development or policy that the government want to initiate, then I compare it to the previous government.
Because sometimes one has a comparison,
sure.
The import of discussion, no.
Good.
Into comparison, no be a fair, say ye be but the ultimate, say they are no more.
Yeah.
You know,
I get you.
You
I get
inherit asset and liability.
That one, we accept that.
Right.
Ye di jawa na
ye di aso.
Enti yan ye gitum 100%.
Okay.
But thought that so ye say ye magana fo hunu ba bia ye free and ba bia ye ko. And ba bia ye duro sam pempensuo yi mu.
Very well.
Said ye be ya. Enkoba say ye di blame ni be to current government ni so. Ni be hunu say e wo process ya wo say ban no FM no free baby and abeto be.
Me da say. One of the thing Enra MC kan ya a dominating discussion ne interest. Railway station.
Yeah.
Railway station MC emphatically say nipa na wo ho nyina obetu omo. Na otu omo so a ombe yi ekwan no firi ho e de akwa kosi Bogos Junction. Afi nye kwan no so nko a stretch aba mat animu ho no e ma na editwa wo ho nyina obeyi wo mo afiri ho. And a railway station or can samba for me a animguase or say ubi be yera or takwa hanum now o shisha oko railway station wa ube home to the extent to say nkrofor braboni nyina no e hona ye bono ensem fata takwa say ye tena se na ye yen baabi te say railway station e masa subane niema ekoso wo ho no ekoso ho.
Okay.
Obikura kan say awofo no bi say railway station no say wo mo ma dwuma ne niema ekoso railway station ho no say ade e wo ha nti a good time say MC aka say ye betu wo mo yenwie no ansa na yaba other areas obey decongestion no.
Okay.
How well does it sit with you?
Okay.
Sa propose an MC aye no.
Let me put it on record. MC an can so say dia obia ya o railway station obia enye. MC an ka say dia e cost o railway station obia enye.
Sure.
You know I was there. I say railway station will be turned to something that will benefit all. And when the time is due, let's support the assembly to divert the place to what will benefit the entire community.
Sure.
Enti enche se de omo ya wo bia enye na mum dodo na
enye
e free say MC asam o kan ya asempa and to me da bia na me kan ho asem ye dim party bia atwam company fo bia sebe ekoba se na omo asisi dan a mo de ma ajantrafo ne ankofo bi so omo ndem omo giska free omo. We know those people. And then MC say no cresem e ho no ye pese ye sacrem ye sacrem ni say ebi kan ye de fa bi be ye egwadi bia a betimi ama ye celebrate market day wo honom kra betimi aboama ade tonfo a mu free mmea wo nkron ketewa mu ni ade no ade enioma ba wa ba beton afei se to da utimi wu se traffic no dodo na hia free human to na eko enti obi wono mo a enya so okwa akofa passengers e wo station na mbo mo person okobogo so junction if that is the case e ho no yen divert no minister kra agya to me say yen divert wo no emfanye bypass na entimi link to bogo so junction entimi nkofa emfa ho no nko and to me it is a very good initiative it's say me emra me phone me first iPhone am to ye yera no obi ka che me say I should go there na mehu me kwa so ampa and I was surprised those people that directed me no so omu mpanimfo bi a ukohunu we ya they will call their boys and have conversation with them and by the time you come there again you get your phone next say asem MC kan no no and it shows that MC is on grounds so and yes MC or tibabi no bi be ka che no ono anka so we experience you know say MC was once working at UMAT UMAT so and baby I can once me eben
right
look there was a time I was at UMAT abrantie bi oba campus wo na we were those people na ye hwe say basa enko so school no na abrantie bi ba wa ye so ni mu a na scissors ehye ne mfi akra ketu a wo hwe ne mfi akra be 17 years there about ye tutu na no bi say do you know what he told us say oba of a race ni mu wonom na bae na pempebre na oba pe ya na nkofo akri scissors ni ade asi ni so ogi ni phone nti ono so de asi ni ho say the oba protect no so it means that there are a lot of things that goes on at that railway station wonom a no kura nie eya asefem ukona ko hunu emaba wan nketwa any said ye see say yen your tradition any your values na ya asefem obi akoda railway station wo more than 30 years on ofie da so oti wonom a chese odidi onom oda onom a abra bia opeso obobi onom and day in day out railway station wonom no etete enkofo a ebe ma oban na say enuboni a wodo nyina e ho ne
yeto so ye miscreant
of course so but eto Diana me ka say ni nyina mu na MC ka say yam bo na chi dom because so wotie ne ka say mo kan experience e ya adwuma bi a edin na so ehiyama
obenya resistance bebre
yes
nipa bebre be fotia
of course ose me ka kira wo say emre bi abesin ko ye mu binum ye nim amanyokuo bi atwam company fuo bi a wo mo build stores bi a wo no small stores bi e di ama ajantra for so wo mo fa nkofo wo ho no mo agiska ne ade wo ho no until all those people they will try to have some misunderstanding and some
mischief process
against the MC say ade a wo ye no enye
right
but so yeti kromo ya na railway station no dan na yesi no ya body we ya di ma obi for rent for over 30 years plus is a thing yeti kromo ya o previous government ye twam ko ye ya dan ya nke ye di ma railway for dan and then ye di ama say na was is dey ben for restaurant and those things which we could have used it for something that would benefit all.
Perhaps say sikano ko aban kofesana.
But that is what I'm saying, sir. And yes, sikana sem ye kan wan asem. You see, that building was built for a purpose.
Sure.
So sure. And yes, a private entity. Emna mefa. No fanya any business. Na at the end of the day, aban no benya sika bi po bi aketo bi. You get me right? Etin MC say we will turn that place to something that will benefit all. Obia benya ho emfaso. Na sesi I said MC ye twa kwan no kotubu go so junction fa ho no mo a traffic e be sizi.
E be reduce.
Yes. Traffic e be reduce. Afei so egedifo a wo mre bia betwam ko ana sem pepe so ye wo ntimi mfiri nkro gitu mu fa wo ne o man beton o mo de beba. Hwe wuduru ka kwan ano a omo ton ye fe ayoyo jeni nyama bia ne o mu free takwa bansu ni nkro nkitu a wo num nyina no ho na ye om de om no ma besi no moton but senkesa abia we ya creative baby o it sa anka it will help ya ti krom ya MC bia betwam ko ka che yen say market cycle on ma be about it ama ya no mpempenso modern marketer ebetimi accommodate adwadifo nyina be si enne ya nte ho ma chimpo
right
enti senne obi abeka sa dia mesusu ene dia meka che minuanom takwafo nyina ne se takwa ha ne wo yen aha ne yeti mma yembo MC na chi dom because MC no so wo free krom ya
okay MC san kan bio say top line so obeyi station a ye hye wo ho no obeyi ho so kan ba bia be di congestion no ho na main station takwa main station no mo pavement no so no obeyi wo mo nyina so afiri ho eno nti ye ka di congestion de ye mfa no kan ho preko
me da se you see sa top line wasem no ho emle bi ma besin ko me ko mo sister station me kan asem bi a na adavafo binum fi se sebio ma cassette but it is not like that I don't the day as adavafo now no mo ba ya madam fofo nko an omo say what I was saying is the right thing and na me kan wasem adavafo binum no enye wo mu nyina wo nyina ebinom crash da e de ho na ye station a omu change even fair akono mo ti akonfo kra no e was omu tua legal fair also omu tua omu change but in a normal security they have forgotten say that isn't the place I was say omu for passengers omu not initial location new atuabo
right
ho na nka bus drivers no nke also omu ko but nobody knows because of some mismanagement here can one some previous government they couldn't manage the municipal world inti ehwa ya de wo mkoye no na a passenger fo answer driver fo binom so etimi fa passengers also wo mkoye ko fo ka fa wo mko enti wo so hu say they were there they were not getting passengers enti also wo nyina free wo number station one MC say me sense su bi MC say siano obe make sure say the right thing will be done say wo say you do wo mko ni wa twam wo biemu a o mesa no mo akọ no mo make sure say passengers for no be ba hon ma be fo car no mo wato wo mo afei there will be a several engagement nyas MC sorry anu obetu wo mo so mo free wo no MC has said say it is a process that they will go through. He will make sure that you engage them na emwa na akrono enyafe wo mo pavement no so wonom no so ya na meka se uduru ba bia ye nuanu ma Nigeria fo no wo mo wona e ho no wo say that create se ka bi ba obetimi agina ho na wa offload enipa omuwom and I say enioma but today it has become a place ye nuanu Nigeria fo ndo wono mo adane ba bia e ton ade passing and driver ni and I say bus mining bus no cry background na e wo so ogina kwan finfini said ye be ya passenger na say oni akro na worker ni mu no besi and it doesn't help emwa o man chichire ni say ntino MC A2 sana mon said ye be ya pavement so one because you see and am say ya park ni o man ye turn your man wo do pavement ni so nti obi nam kwan ni mu a obi nam a so ofa pavement ni so ekwa onwom ba bia obefa nti obefa kwan mu ami ampata so aka betimi abono so hu which is very dangerous obitumi be park in the car esi kwan ni film in the middle it is a double road so you say kwan na double road yes but today people are able to go and park at the middle of the road because baby ya just one say driver ni no onko gina you taking that place ni na for granted ye dey ya pay but it shouldn't be that way. And nothing MC.
Municipality
that is it. Yeah, a clubby, I think say Eastern region ho ba bi e setan. Almost a kronu nya wura mu e ho ne fe. Yemfa ewura ento fom. Ohene ne kra akra wo de wura to fom a. Obema obe direct ma pani bi o bi achu. And we compare our municipality to those areas. But when we come here we want to do contrary things.
Right.
So
right.
And nothing I go so I can say, Yankasi ye bedi mraso. say you mama ne nkoba say ai friend say ya betu no no na me ton me de hwe mabusua no na me de hwe me nkola wo school
excuse me dey on bemo Ghana ye di congestion bi e no anu bia
that is why I blame the previous government say omoka say omoka che yen say ai enkofo se mama ye mu omodan ni ade enti na kwan no mantina ye no double road I copy my apmeni mo no mantina ye double I said say it is a frivolous excuse.
Okay.
A frivolous excuse.
Okay.
It has no basis because if you meant for development, such someone working, one can.
Me that say. For Nora MC Shansan for Kasai na Kasai no chi enkomo na yedi mene Isaac Atineto.
Me catch a driver for no. I driver for no.
Okay.
I spoke to them. Me no man Kasa Baby say the MC will take them back to where they came from.
Me that say. Na Nora MC Kasa wie ye no achiri nkomo na yedi ye pense mo enche ye be ma akwan anso do adwenkyira baba ye ntie we ansa ye ba na onyanye ready me that say. Okay. MC can say sa video na mpesa nka ye hwe no can say takwa eye babia ye wa goodie a lot of minerals but in our real life no the benefit of sa goodie no and translate emamu ufra bonten na takwa din na wura takwa sadi atakwa din atre wa bonten sika wo ho no wura kuro no mu a unhu ne sa enti eno nso no ebra so say ye hyase ye hu bibi ye didi dwuma ema bibia ekoso kama ewo ho enom eden abeka on that na okay video na ready a ye ntie we ye ba now
you can see say the development tapa inside ma say the status of the area do our international no mati e kan unya wura igonu mu a am say and share them be fitting and person the dia ye wo process what tapa land by extension of the western region your resources but you can see say the development tapa inside ma say the status of the area do our international no mati e kan unya wura igonu mu a am say and share them be fitting and person the dia ye wo ewo the international community. You see say you bet me aye more. We can do more than what is now currently. You bet me aye more but we na take commitment in a unity. Say na ye beba now we come to the round table say I didn't bet me aye man aye. We have companies who are ready to support us. Who are ready. It is only important say yanka say so do this, do that, use these resources to do that for us. And they will do it. And tell us, enter the Tapa proper. You see, say, yes, this is Tapa, the name that you've chalked, at least we will befit this one. That is it.
All right. For any out here, MC, or say, a good year na ye war, and obaha, yampunturu ne a good year no, and size so. Ye were good year no, and so yampunturu no isa. Inka good year be war hey. E was a by now nka usi takwa ha nka mpuntu no wosoro nanso enkachi ye betima ye more e chen ya ye hunu sese MC asem okan ne Isaac maminti o briefly on this na afi ye nko
no question MC asem okan no odika also owie no kan samienu bi obo enoma mienu bi a e betimi aboama ye nya ye sofa so o say ba ko eye enkabum ba ko so eye commitment ahofama so ahu you see there be a mekaze say even national ana say anonefo so ma be tufu magudie na ye wo mem ha yanka ye ho ammom na ya mpre say de wasi ye nyama o ekuro no ye be nyama ekuro no na ye chiche ye mumu a ye ntimi sanka afi so say yamfa ahofama amfa ntachiri a de ye pese ye nya no ye nya because as ye tikrom ha anche bia na daman aban no ka kire omo se omo mining list na emre na so enti omo fa omo dwumadie nto onom kopem se aban no omo benya nkitahudie papa ansa na omo aye adwuma ye nyankrofo bia omo ba aban na chi e ka se ti ano ye ne omo awodo bebre eti ano But all these things, you know, na enye ne kwan so. Some people thought say, okay, yan ye adwuma yefo e wo ntino. Abre bia no say ye adwuma no kɔ for mo a ye ntwa ye ka. But sometimes if you consider those things ye nya dia wo say nya. And them no ka say anase for so almost so they have gone on strike because they've not met their demands. And ameboa. Enti se Ghana aban so ka say omofo mu dwumadie nto wonom ana say MC ni mpanifo bi ka say because of this or that ntino ye tu sa na mo we te de be ya takwa kuro no ye benya mfaso afi ye fom agudie tuo no ho a e wo se yinya ye ta na chi e wo se yinya ye ka bom mama ye ndwene se ba akofo boso me be so ye betua ne ka enti if that is the case eno nkwa na wo so opre when we do that we will go around and come back and tell the leaders say omo anya hwe ama oman no ye nya oman no so mfa so ba we afi say you protected your personal interest eno na oman okuro na akobasa eya na ha adwen. Right. Sometimes it is very painful when our leaders are taking some decision. We need to back them.
Right.
We need to back them. And yes, I bet na baby ati. You bet cost waji ye pay. Bosumi pay. You bet cost waji bosumi pay na. Mre no suno mutu afuma ogudie ni wia. Obekwa kwotena fie wunya hwe. Fuma for investors so they will go back and leave you just like that. The crown because wase.
Me that say before you be far afraid for no or rapping anything you want to say before you be far afraid for no inte wo kasa na me de me number no to 0260 1960 62 0260 1960 63 anything quick one na you far afraid for no
kakra meka ni say ye nuanom adabafo gidi say pempenso ayewo mi dodo na atiase but ebinom so aye say they will not get what the government is trying to do on the side of the 1 cedi levy and I say 1 cedi na abana dia babebo ade no compared to that of the ye levy who ensensem no they were some were saying say oh eye boapayo na abana edi we na babe replace ye levy but I can tell you for a fact say ye levy was a percentage input and the percentage no the more na fu ebo no kosoro the more na aban no beto ebia na say sika wodi ya yi levy no eye we na aban no su enya kese but this one is a fixed input say 1 Ghana cedi per liter it ye to petrol buo mu kra na that 1 Ghana cedi aban no enya more than that the same 1 Ghana cedi na
okay
2 emre bia betwam ko na samre no omu adava fotua etua fuel omu to fuel mu ama ye nyina ye wokrom ha ye hu hwe eto awodo omu de to so ye wo energy fund levy 1 peso aban dada na de to so anso ono mo an osan energy sector levy 20 peso price stabilization levy ni nyina ode buy energy debt recovery e ho na e wo se yen adava for na wo se ye hwe because abani this energy debt recovery ne by 59% by it was intended to fix that doom someone no because abanda dan catch and say his excellency John Dramani Mahama first administration no what excess energy excess power go on mo a ono eba ho ka nti ho ka no ene ne sa eto no de by until we thought to say that energy debt recovery levy you could have used to pay all those debts but when timi antua enam na o say a car abragu $3.1 million
nti se see ye ye de kotua ka no ana
that is it a cano part of it and then other infrastructure betimi aboama nyam kane na gina ho forever that is what the government is intended to do see I mean no ka saying this is what we need to get and we need to understand say aban no ehye pa ene be boan ne kura no hwe say aban no watimi ate petrol buo so from 18 cedi aban that no jaya ni ade babedru somewhere 10.99 petrol boy ever be do that pay now or the 1 cedi aba be kan let's assume it's 12 Ghana cedis and when I was 14 Ghana cedi we didn't talk when it was a friend is 15 Ghana cedi we didn't talk to a certain extent we live in this country to a certain extent in 2022 July to January but to petrol mu 3 solid times yet to lorry fare mu 3 solid times in 2022 January to July you can go I'm moving from Ghana
mama come home no so na me ba wa ba be wrap up the amaye 0260 1960 62 0260 1963 yewura MCE enra adwuma wodi ye no yede mu enkomo pii wadwen kire ne san good morning.
Good morning, Oya.
Me ba cha wudi ni baby akasa fi.
Jeremiah, me sa me kasa free town so estate.
Me da say mira my entie wa no pay.
Kakra me kan say edi kan kaka krapa. Aban no service e ke hunu bi mu a o ye free ona nyana bi atwa na ko. Eye if you say sa aka ni na ngere boa eni man ke tengeti a en ke de be doctor ko ne nurse ko. Omo ko sa ye ka say ni ma no triba eko hospital ye din ti wa sa agreement ti e de ne ba san kregwa e na san kregwa for refer ni ko kumasi e ko du kumasi e tan doctor en agreement ma amne se free din si free e wo se ya ko be wo ba ye da ko e di se mete fo a o mu ni honti do ya de ntina di o a abano ye so no hwe ni na adi ni ano on first kan ko homo na unja ni
me da say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wudi ni baby akasa fi.
Me kasa fi go fi.
Me da say mira my entio.
Sa tax na mo de ba petrol no. Yeah, de kan hayo yeah drivers say hayo. Because the oshima. The oshima I got the phone on Moton Yamano. As I buy a show, I said, I'm paying for 2 machines. Yanti petrol, so how many percentage say no?
Right.
I saw my motor, and someone paying for the show. Let's say, I'm not saying I'm hotel because you see for my Yakota.
Right.
Yeah, to be how much I done to see it. But here, the year by the year, so I don't know how you buy, say, every Juma. I say, see for my Yakota, and no one can come out for 2 million. So I high. We don't have one day. Right. Because first never to nobody then they talk.
Me da say.
But yeah, I say. O moment to ton your mano. Abain show mo no mo show mo to me na so ni na huntan. Simple.
Yeah da say. Good morning.
Yeah. Monica.
Wudi ni baby akasa fi.
Ko pa David takwa ya.
Me da say my enti wa no pay.
Yeah, because I'm not concerned teach more kakra. Understand there. On there I put top line.
Hello. Sorry. Went to mention. Good morning.
Yes, about.
Wudi ni baby akasa fi.
Oh, driver MTN.
Me da say driver MTN my entio.
Na me chiao. Na me mbo abaso.
Right.
Na me chame black in too. Asame do aka. Na mboshi na me ko Prince Valley. Me ko chame ya me boss. Prince Valley ura. Honorable Robert Zomkuju.
Yeah,
no ni bebe Prince Valley na noka.
All right.
Na me santi chame MC. Dr. Matthew Kofiai. Ejmane de obo. Ejmane de ekoso Prince Valley.
Me da say.
Me black no to wakata. But I did o anka ma yem ya. Ma ye na you say bia. Any to fu na wo so na tin ko ya yenka. No kwata de meka che no. Ndi meka je me black no to say. Onko no kaka je MP say. Kwana ekwo Fanta hospital na kwana say. Wo ko hospital wo so ho yesu. Ndi meka je me black no to ono ni me so mi ni no.
Okay.
Ndi onko onka che no. No mo fix the right and ni ya na wo ensem fata esum.
Me da say.
Because nurse fu no bebre wo mu nya ka o. Omu ba mu nam kom. Nto ni pa bonu ni kwese kwam ni tso di omu bone a. Nge che say, one waye.
Okay.
Nte MC Nejman no onka no confix.
Me da say. Good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Wudi ni baby akasa fi.
Yeah, David takwa ya.
Me da say my entio no pay.
I work straight. I work market check. Driver to Mpono. We do Mpono after the work ni pa no work no. To what is the right now? Papa dema awa en road na eli to park on. E go don watch e ba benefit 1000. And the two. This is now our ukrom ha dey na offer dead bodies. E think of dead body we wata guna. Na embro salin fi wa that thing go go so. First me so in there. E go na dead body ni ko no. E du se wa na bo ka ke bi ni je. That is now we go to wata gan wale ba. Bro, Salini, the best nickel. I want to know what kind of you bodies know. I want to get motor cars and won't go back taking. Then you found Obadu. Then, yeah, police for 1 by 1 year. Do not go to Marco.
But I wouldn't get what you want to put. But Nippon all corner or that talent driving with more confidence, no, two to go.
Okay.
Then they already pay with an answer, different driver for 2 money.
I
don't too much.
Yeah, I say, anyone drink chira so ode eba. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Would you baby or Kasafi?
No, I want to Kobe.
May I say, Kobe, my inti one of pay.
Yeah, that into Qatar. Some of our body. I said, I'm in but our body, cash out for 9 years. There will be about to cut. So, people, you manage that. You make my children with the 1 year, or you in some other about the wife. You know, yeah, that's it. Teaching no range in one of them. Maybe to my work, I can go over time there. Maybe I say I'm also ticket. Can't point to me call you a pack of them. The job after 10 minutes, yeah, I am a general party. We don't find out on them. There will be so already in the contact club. And the other, yeah, you cannot get that, you know, too.
Yo, or Joso. All right, I was Yemfa of Isaac. I pray for Akasa. Okay, my main for last one. I am called. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacha wudini baby au kasafi.
Bacha me de amu me kasa champion.
Me da se my inti wano pay.
Ano pe de nyamembo mabaso. O nyama pa mo ye wot.
Amen.
Na etosu ne no chia MC ne MP onabo.
Right.
Na nyankopon nhyewo na won sama ano pe ena muso ama odutoja anya muso ma yenso yatibi. Na o pa nse yo ana wakana race mbo no. Race mbo no. So o tumi tuo mu pa dia nkadani genyi na yebo na baso.
Right.
Because me driver na india o ko private wo e ko na usuro. What's a usuro? What you say? What private? And then people who go to that, who be so say who go, so we go bon na mbo mbo ni.
Ai ni.
Nti let's say she take off for you, we sit dan kitin na mo dia mo. Mo no mo di o muska. Ona na me fa abayo bi. Na me san senti e dan no mo dem no. E dey mu tia se. Sika obo din no masa. So wo sa kios kitin bi wo wa. Who make money? Enti the boys na obo kios no wo na mo titimu na omo yetu bia no mo ti san samsin wo ho no. Enti wo fa na nse bo so waka on hwe na onye. Na oma backpack na dako e da masi na me shirabu.
Yen so ye da ase bebre, yen fa ofre dwumadie no nsi. Na Isaac mfa na asem edi awieye e maye na ye mpon. Isaac.
Yo.
Maye nkoye.
Em say me da wasi afrefo no de odi kan no e kasa fa aban no enioma wo so wo hwe na wo de ma anesi for say de be yomeko omija strike no. Sabio, there are so many ways to kill a cat. Me being an economist, you say there were many ways labor or fast or they achieving the interest and I say the demands. It be a picketing, it be a sit down strike and demonstration, several.
Right.
But sometimes, and yes, say, sa akwenya we nyina wo ma ema wunti no na wo say ade bi onum kra na yemfa menyo sem famrem there be. It is not like that. Look at the demands of the nurses. Timemini bia wo ma mu ha bia no odwen ho a no hu say demands ayenu anom nurse for no demand no e broso. To me I see it say e broso because you demand and to demand for uniform allowance. Now the hard dream crowd woman say look, you requested for all these things and you no kwao and you must be brave omo demand there and sanyo na would demand there in previous administration you didn't request for anything, you didn't go on demonstration. This demands in an hour whole so you didn't go on demonstration, you didn't strike, you sat down and wait for them. Abanya ba power less than 6 months. A minister kwa eboni dim kra duru boso 9 pa. No. auditing ahodoɔ na ahyɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ various ministries yɛhwɛ nurse for yɛfa wɔn nya nurse for yɛfa wɔn yɛhwɛ nurse for wɔn akɔ retirement ɛwɔ so wɔn kɔ retirement yɛda so wɔn adwuma mu a ɛwɔ so yɛhwɛ na yɛ replace wɔn aban agu so wɔn yɛ auditing all of a sudden you jump into conclusion because you think that politically you can use that to achieve your demand adwene timamifuo nyinaa na sɛ Ghanafoɔ nyinaa mma yɛn taaba n'akyi but mama yɛ mama yɔsɛm edi anim kan esan sɛ we've gotten the opportunity to lead some union and I say ye lead nkɔfoɔ bi na yɛ join political party bi a we need to take that opportunity to fight against the government on various policies about mine.
Right.
Let me put that one aside. Besides, you know about Koso Kase, a driver for a entertain your masonia there. Look, many of my arguing, many of my arguing, but the TN said we share a buy no shares, yes, or work on the dollar near kita petrol near the when you started working on this, and you want to buy the prayer so monteso. The government intentionally worked on the dollar. Thank you, man. Bet me a petrol born number from just like that, and also bet me a dollar price number between pempenswa. Say, petrol born it tell be do be a 13. No, be managing on my side. The man be and fast also. No, but the government realized that the dollar is not only holding the petrol price. The dollar is holding spare parts. The dollar is holding other equipment that you import to buy. Until the dollar must reflect on those and your money now. And until the holding dollar not responsible, so that the dollar will have impact on various items. And until see I no can say I buy no share so $40 no so. It be true baby and say I buy no share driver for say almost on your day. Enti so enti saa so na ban no be make sure say eni ma hodo a yeki me no ka say iron rod bo aba form anwa bo aba form eni me no ka say mo bank ebo aba form dia ka cement kra me ko read omo yi omo say omo ma omo a monthly pricing omo ye na every month enti omo ahye wie enti with time no omo so be make sure say they will also adjust it enti saa na etie ye kakra nti mesre enuanom a driver for and as a driver ni na o kan say ye ma aban ne mre it will reflect on other sectors of the economy. Besides obi so kan hospital road asem no kre MC beye MC obeye sa hospital kwan obeye and obi so kan a friend say market circle to Brofu Edu yesterday anopa na me MC kasafa sa kwan
okay
and no so o say obehwe I baby challenge no wa or kan wasem no e wa call rains ni mo ni ade nyina no I took a picture and I sent it to the MC as well as deeper life for Jansi wo nyina no I took a picture and sent it to the MC or say obetwe no watu wan among and he also has of other roads I sha obetimi aye den obetu wan among
me da say Isaac
obetwe no atoto ne mama ekuro no afa ne ntoma pefra me da mu nyina se mechia mu nyina mechia tiefo nyina Titire any the chairman general, the chairman for the National Democratic Congress, Yeru Adanla Adi Salifu, any the finest member of parliament for TARKWA Nsayim, Honorable Salifu Isa Taylor.
Ebisanfo anamontentin bia wie krotia. Aha ene yede anopen komo ebesi. Ahomachi no numi ene yetena ase na yedi nkomo. Ya kana kakran segment by segment ede ababedrum pempensuei. Ye live e Facebook SOMPA 101.1. And at YouTube, SOMPA 101.1. And my guest, Isaac Atinoto, NDC communication team member, or no, by Nipodi ko Facebook, DJ Ken, or boy Jumapa, Yamin Shrano, and or no so nedia or the baye, Midin, Ede, OWOAHENE ACHEAMPONG. Moamu freye, Edamoise, Moamunya Daddy Sheye, Edamoise, Moamutie, Edamoise. Nyame de adom ye na ochena ye besan aba abetena se ena ye nkwada no tire BC okompaya na wabobi de ama wonom nkwada 4734 ena etre exams no private school for a womu 64 private schools ena afi 71 public schools ena omunyina kabom in total omoye 4734 emema 2292 emma 2442 ena ochro ewo 14 examination centers ewo ho enom anope ye ko nansa na ye kro no yentu ne kana yen kan kyerɛ say Isaac hardware se beje adanse ho nema blocks a papa yetwa quarry dust na de yetwa ADEA cement wom utimi de se abrosan ne dan bia afi enado de bo dan so headpan binding wires and a pickers ni nyina wa adanse ho nema adwasuo Isaac hardware okɔ hɔ a ebetimi aboa Ike City Abosu Road hɔ a na yɛwɔ yɛbɛn akɔwia hotel 0344 11 53 na wafrɛ yen ɛwɔ hɔ ope internet adi udwuma bia baabi ade kɔ office asɔndem o baabi a o store mu hɔ sɛde bɛyɛ a wobɛtumi a WhatsApp a Facebook a Twitter ɛne ne keka ho de a ɛne na anɔpɛ ɛyɛ Starlink internet wɔn internet no boefo ɛyɛ papa ɛna ne ho so ɛden 24/7 insuo to a ejina so awiabo a ejina so mframa fa a ejina so ente se network atekosem bia eni ha enom Starlink internet for number ni 0500 050 853 ubetima frɛ na ya baba installation no bi ede amount Isaac Enterprise eton car ho nema fa car no kɔ nsiesie car no bɛyɛ kama car no wodi si hɔ a ne ade bɛkata ho na awia nhye no car cover no your original one papa ne ho den emframa boy awia bɔkora de ɛte anɛteɛ nye no nko car mu tape no ye wo ni nyina bi Android de no woofer no nso ye wo bi eba no jack no a ye wo hydraulic de no bi 5 tons ekosi 50 tons original seat cover car carpet and afi wipers any nyina bi e wo ho battery no ye wo 9 kosi 21 plate akese ne nketwa eno no oba benya bi fire extinguisher and afi engine oil papa total share ne seahorse afi opese car no mu yehwam eno nso unsa ebeka bi e wo ho enom 0550 251 600 0550 251 600 na wafrɛ yen ene yen akɔ adwadie abusuafo yɛde dwumadie no asi midin ɛde ɔwo ahene achampon yɛde mo nyinaa ase ama mo mo anitie